Happy Accident, Happy Review, WOOKIE.
Holiday Edition. Good evening.
And welcome to 2023's Holiday Edition action figures.
Kicking it off with Star Wars. Good to go.
This year, new lines of figures shall be unboxed and reviewed each week. For the first week of October, we celebrate Star Wars Holiday Edition figures.
I will also be unboxing and reviewing the San Diego Comic-Con exclusive action figure from the Black Series.
Opening this box, we can see some really cool Halloween tissue paper surrounding the action figure. This was quite a surprise, to be sure. And here is the big guy himself, the Holiday Edition WOOKIE, the 2023 Star Wars Black Series Halloween figure. He's a big boy. Inside these small pieces of tissue paper included are a pet. If you know the name of this character, put it in the comments down below. He also came with one of the Christmas Holiday Edition figures that I opened in 2022.
This is my favorite accessory, the pumpkin pail.
Now the Holiday Edition WOOKIE can get his trick-or-treat on. This 1/12 scale Star Wars Black Series Holiday Edition figure stands at 7 inches tall. The fur is all one gray.
There is no wash.
The bandolier and belt are a solid brown.
There is no paint applications.
In fact, the only paint applications are on its hands, feet, eyes, mouth, nose.
There is no paint inside of its ears.
Articulation for this figure is standard fare for a Black Series WOOKIE. Knees bend to 90 degrees, wrist swivel, the elbows are single jointed, bend to 90 degrees, the head is on a ball,
with limited articulation restricted by the fur.
very slight ankle rockers.
Definitely an area to improve on such a tall action figure.
The pumpkin pail accessories lid can come off so you can stow very tiny candies inside. The included chocolates can be stowed inside. Additionally, panels around the sides of the pumpkin pail can be expanded outwards. Perhaps this is to simulate overstuffed candy pail. I hope you enjoyed this brief look at the Holiday Edition WOOKIE. Overall, I'm satisfied with the purchase.
However,
Hasbro did cheap out
on the paint.
on this one. I can recommend this figure if you're into the whole holiday motif. Picture time.